kapatid, sa vision ng bata, at I pray na patuloy tayong kausapin ng Diyos habang pinapanood po ito. Sabay-sabay po natin panoorin.
Jesus, you're so beautiful.
Grabe.
Dream.
He's not dreaming. It's a vision.
Jesus, when you coming back?
Alam niya yun.
We need you. I need you. Oh my God, I miss you, Jesus. I miss you. Dad, you're so pretty. Dad, do you see me skateboarding? Oh my God, you're so pretty. You're so pretty.
Goosebump. Nakakapangilabot dahil nakita niya yung tatay niya. Yung tatay niya, ayon sa mga nakakaalam po, nakakilala sa bata, yumaon na. Nakita niyo po yung itsura. Hallelujah. Nakikita niya si Jesus, nakikita niya yung tatay niya.
It's okay. Mom loves you, Dad. She tells you all the time. I love Mom and Mom loves you, Dad. What? Give me a hug, Dad. I miss you, Dad. Everything I tell you all the stories I tell. Mom misses you, Kevin misses you, Isaiah misses you a lot. I'm not talking to you, Dad. I'm sorry.
Katurog naman ang puso to.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Jason.
I wish I was with you, Dad. It's so pretty up here. There's so many flowers.
Ooh.
Butterflies. Butterflies. A lot of butterflies in heaven.
Oh, hallelujah.
It's okay, Jason.
I miss that. I miss you, Dad.
Jason. Jason.
Oh, God is so pretty.
Jason.
God is so pretty.
Hey, look at that.
He has fire eyes.
Jason.
Oh.